Hello friends, Dr. Missy Clifton here, talking to you about one of my favorite products, Sculptra. Sculptra is not a traditional filler like the hyaluronic acid fillers that we have. It's actually a stimulator. So you inject this material in a very dilute form into the skin, and it has little tiny particles called PLLA or poly-L-lactic acid. Those particles actually stimulate the fibroblasts in your skin to start working and start making your own collagen. So we know that collagen loss starts as early as age 30 and it continues over time. And certainly we make it worse with sun exposure and environmental pollutants and other just aging factors, including hormone changes. So everyone really needs Sculptra, and everyone needs to start pretty soon with it. We recommend usually that you do at least one vial per decade of life to really get the rejuvenation you need, and then one vial every year just for maintenance. So Sculptra is a little bit different than traditional fillers in that it doesn't really fill a line or a crevice. It's really for areas where you have hollowing of the skin, when the cheeks can get hollow, the temples can get hollow. It's really good for the back of the hands as well when the skin starts to get really thin there. We hope that you'll tune in for the demo on Sculptra today. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section. We would also welcome a complimentary consultation with you. So please text us or give us a call if you would like that consultation.